I'm Bart Levy Art. Welcome. Today I'm going to show you how I arrived at this rather expressionistic painting of Stargazer lilies. The painting itself has been captured in time-lapse, so it will kind of hurry on through that part. But I've also added a section on how I achieved all these pinks and mixing pink, because it can be a little bit difficult. Especially when you're trying to match flowers. So I hope you like it. Click like if you do, share, subscribe, and if you like the painting, it's available on my website, bartlevyart.com. And let's get started. There's a lot of pink in this and a lot of red in this painting, and pinks can be, at least for me, sometimes a challenge, because it's not simply a matter of mixing red and white, which is of course what you learn in elementary school. So I'm going to show you some different pinks and some different ways to arrive at colors that you want. These are the reds that I use mostly, and as you can see, I'm a big Gamblin colors fan. White, of course. This is alizarin crimson. 1980 is Gamblin's student grade. It's still quite good. Let me skip over here to quinacridone violet, which is a reddish purple, cadmium red light, and quinacridone red, which is a almost a true red. And then this is one I actually had to order, and it is vermilion. It's a red orange. And the cadmium red light is also a very orangey red. So first I'm going to squeeze out a big gob of white. And then, like, if we're going just for pink, then it's alizarin crimson, and this is what you get. Kind of a cold pink. If you mix white with cadmium red light, then you're going to end up with a very orangey pink. As you can see. Quinacridone, the quinacridone red, makes a very peppermint pink kind of color. But look at the difference between the alizarin crimson, which is kind of a grayish, and the quinacridone, which is, like I said, peppermint, and the cadmium red, which is a cadmium red light, which is kind of orangey. Mix in a bit of, oops, and that's very purple. But if you mix the alizarin and the quinacridone together, you get a pretty nice pink, I think. Let me move out of my own light here. And if you mix in the orange, the cadmium red, then that gives you yet another pink, warmer, kind of a sunny pink. So there you have it. I think the trick is that it takes more than one particular red plus white to get a good pink. Now you can always tiny dab of yellow, can mix in a dab of yellow, and you start getting some really nice peachy colors. Maybe mix a bit more white in there. See, isn't that lovely? Okay, so there you go. Biggest piece of advice I have is use more than one red plus white plus maybe a little yellow, or if you want to maybe go in the other direction, add some shade to that pink. There, you can mix in some violet and you've got a shadowy part. So almost done. Finishing touches on this. Pretty big switch from the beginning where everything was pale green and shades of yellow to this explosion of pink and red. So let's finish it up and I'll be back in a moment. So here we are, all done. My model over my right shoulder, the finished painting to my left. It is pretty expressionistic. Click like if you liked it, share, subscribe. If you like it well enough that you would like to have it in your home or office, then it's available on my website, bartlevyart.com. I will ship anywhere in the US. And thanks for watching.